Hello? Today we will solve another problem on the topic of average speed. We will calculate the average speed in modulus and direction. The problem is as follows. The body passed from point A to point B on the following trajectory, which is two sections, the angle between which is 90 degrees. The length of the first section is 3 meters. The length of the second section is 4 meters. It took the body 1 second to pass each section. What is the average velocity in modulus and what is the average velocity in displacement? Two questions we'll tackle with you today. What is the average modulus velocity? Let's go over the definition again. In order to do that, we need to find the total path that a given body has traveled and divide it by the total time of the motion. Let's find the average speed. To do this, we find the total path. Adding up the two parts of the given path, the first part is, recall, 3 meters. The second part is 4 meters. Then the total path is 7 meters. The total travel time, which we define as the sum of these two times, is 2 seconds. Then the average speed modulo is equal to the ratio of the total path to the total time. And we get an answer of 3.5 meters per second. This is the average speed modulo, or also called the average traveling speed. What is the average velocity of displacement? For this purpose, we have to construct the vector of displacement, which the body has made while moving from point A to point B. Having connected two given points, we have received as a result some figure. And in this case, we have received with you a rectangular triangle, hypotenuse of which is just the displacement of this body. In order to find this displacement, we can use the Pythagorean theorem. To do this, we must add the squares of the cathetes and extract the square root of this sum. Let's write down. Formula. We define the modulus of displacement as the sum of the squares of the cathetes. Here we get 9 plus 16 is 25. The square root of 25 is 5 meters. The displacement of this body is 5 meters. Then the average velocity of displacement is equal to the ratio of this displacement to the total time of this movement. So we get the answer 5 meters divided by 2 seconds. That's 2.5 meters per second. We have two answers that show us that we must always calculate the average speed. For a path, it's the ratio of total path to total time. For travel, it's the ratio of travel accomplished to time taken. That brings our lesson to an end. Goodbye.